Have you ever wondered why relationships today seem more difficult than they used to be? Why people who genuinely love each other still struggle to stay together? Why some couples start with so much excitement, but after a while, communication becomes difficult, effort reduces, and both people begin to feel like strangers? Welcome to Debere's Corner. We are so glad to have you back. Relax, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. The truth is, relationships have always required work, but the world we live in today has introduced new challenges that previous generations did not face in the same way. One major reason modern relationships are becoming harder to maintain is that people are entering relationships with unrealistic expectations. Social media has created a picture of love that is often incomplete. We see couples showing vacations, gifts, romantic surprises, and perfect moments online. And we begin to believe that a healthy relationship should always feel exciting and effortless. But the reality is different. Real love is not only about the beautiful moments, it is also about patience when things are difficult, understanding when emotions are high, and choosing to walk through problems instead of walking away at the first sign of discomfort. Another challenge is that many people today have become more focused on what they can receive than what they can contribute. A lot of people ask, what can this person do for me? How does this relationship benefit me? But fewer people ask, how can I become a better partner? What value am I bringing into this person's life? A relationship cannot survive when both people are only waiting to be loved, appreciated, and understood without making the same effort in return. Another reason why relationships are becoming harder is the rise of the replacement mindset. Today, many people believe that if a relationship becomes difficult, there is always someone better waiting. Dating apps and social media have created that feeling that people are easily replaceable. Instead of fixing problems, some people prefer to live because they believe the next person will be easier, more romantic, or more compatible. But every relationship will eventually face challenges. The person you meet next will also have weaknesses, bad days, and imperfections. The question is not whether you will find someone without problems. The question is whether you find someone willing to grow with you. Communication is another major issue in relationships these days. Many relationships are not ending because people do not love each other. They are ending because people do not know how to communicate. Some people were never taught how to express their feelings, apologize, compromise, or have difficult conversations without turning everything into an argument. Instead of saying, "This thing you did hurt me, can we talk about it?" Some people choose silence, anger, or revenge. And slowly, small issues become big problems. Another reality is that people are carrying emotional baggage into relationships today. Many people are entering new relationships while still carrying wounds from past experiences. They have trust issues, fear of vulnerability, and unresolved pain. And sometimes they punish a new person for what someone else did. A healthy relationship requires two people who are willing to heal, reflect, and take responsibility for their own growth. But perhaps, whenever I use this perhaps, I remember something, but let me continue. But the biggest challenge, the biggest challenge in modern relationships is that people want the benefits of commitment without embracing the responsibilities that come with it. They want loyalty, but struggle with sacrifice. They want understanding, but struggle with patience. They want someone who accepts their flaws but refuse to work on themselves. A successful relationship is not built by it's not built by two successful it is not built by two perfect people. It is built by two imperfect people who are willing to learn, adjust, forgive, and choose each other repeatedly. Love is not just a feeling. Feelings change. Some days you will feel deeply connected, other days you will feel frustrated. What keeps a relationship alive is the decision to continue showing up even when things are not perfect. The choices you make while in a relationship are the things that keep relationship going, the decisions. The truth is, modern relationships are not harder because love has disappeared. They are harder because many people have forgotten that love requires responsibility. You see, finding someone is easy. Building something meaningful with someone is the real challenge. It is the real challenge. The real challenge is building something meaningful with someone. A strong relationship is not one without problems. It is one where both people are committed to solving problems together. So, before asking, why is my relationship not working? Ask yourself, am I becoming the kind of person I expect my partner to be? The biggest change a relationship needs is not finding a new person. It is becoming a better version of yourself. It is becoming a better version for yourself. So reflect, sit down and ask yourself the question, am I the problem in this relationship? What am I doing wrong? Am I sacrificing a lot? Like, am I sacrificing enough? Do I want loyalty more than I sacrifice? Because if you want loyalty, you have to be loyal. So, and don't compare your relationships with what you see online. It is one of the biggest things that ruin relationships these days. And believing that people are replaceable is another big thing that ruins relationships. So having said all this, sit, reflect, speak to yourself and know where you're getting it wrong. Know how to fix it. And don't ever carry the hurts from a previous relationship into a new relationship. If you know you are not healed, if you know you are not yet ready to go into a relationship, why go into a relationship to suffer another? Why go into a relationship to suffer another? Because the truth remains that in as much as it has become a gender war, but two people are not the same. You dated Onyinye and Onyinye treated you this way does not mean that Yinka will treat you this way. Yinka is different from Onyinye. Try to heal from your relationships. Try to heal from your wounds before you get into another relationship. Having said all this, and you wish to see me again, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If not, you might not see me again. Bye.